Good morning, guys. What is up, man? It's your boy Frank Visionary. I'm gonna switch things up. I'm gonna switch the tone on you guys, man. I'm gonna try to make this thing a little more educational at the same time. I come to realize, and my wife shed some light, is that, man, I have a lot of knowledge in here on cars and all the builds I've done over the years. 37 years old, man, and I've had a lot of cars and built some show winners, man, and show stoppers. And I'm not slowing down. So that being said, jumped in the SRT super stock today. I'm in actually a rush. I am in a rush. Sorry, Frank, bro, but I found a good opportunity to shoot this. So I know some of you guys run in the same situation, man, on the way to work, something like that, bro, and then you get in your car and either it doesn't start or you have that problem. You got low tire pressure, man. Now, do you continue on to work? Sure, many of you probably do. You see it all the time. Or you can have a quick fix for it. So I'm gonna tell you guys what we need to do to go ahead and get these things fixed. Jump to my local Harbor Freight, harborfreight.com. You can even get it online, but I'm gonna go run in the garage real quick. We're gonna grab this little unit. I'm gonna show it to you guys. We're not doing a video on the Lambo today, guys. Not a Lambo video today, but I got some stuff coming for you on that. This thing, this little guy right here. Let's take her in the light. This little thing right here, lifesaver, right, Hope? Tell him, bro, this is the thing we need. A Viking, 1700 peak amps. I have an RV. That thing has, anybody that has an RV knows batteries die sometimes. This thing came through clutch to jumpstart even the RV, guys. So good thing to have in your garage. If I remember, man, I paid like, I don't know, on sale 180 bucks or something. But yeah, here you go, in the light. Viking, 1700 peak amps. This is what you guys want to get yourselves. Get yourselves one of those, keep that in the garage, keep it charged. And if you guys are going on a long trip or something like that, throw it in the trunk if you have the space, man. It comes in handy. It charges batteries, it jumps the batteries, and it does air. All right, from the start, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, what do? How do you put air in your tire by yourself? Go get yourself the Viking. I recommend it because it does multi-function things. All right, here we go. Take off your valve stem. We're going basic 101s here, guys. Some people are gonna laugh at this video. Basic 101s, take off your valve stem. Pull this thing out. It's normally rolled up. It's normally rolled up in there, guys. Pull it out. Now I'm gonna hold this button down and I should see a C pop up. There you go, there's the C. What that C means, I have no idea, but I know it needs to be on C for me to get the air to start working. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and bring this thing close enough to reach. You're gonna clip that thing on there. Hit the little thing. That's your valve to close it. All right, we're locked on. Now, it's telling me that this tire is at 22 pounds right now. All right, we need it where? 33 pounds. That's where I need it. So all I do, hit my switch, slowly but surely, guys, that thing's gonna be going up into rim pressure. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it on a fast play for you. That did take probably about 2 minutes. It's not the fastest working machine. It weighs probably about 35 pounds. As small as it seems, it's probably about 30 pounds, I'll be honest with you, but it's super compact. That's all you are gonna need to get air in your guys' tires, guys. So have that in your garage, keep it charged. And if you're going on long trips, I recommend taking it with you. Now, why did you get low air? Take it to your local tire shop after that, man. This is at least gonna get you to work. This is gonna get you on the go. You're not stranded, you're not stuck. Some people might have a flat, I don't know, but you could always try that even on a flat. It might be slow enough to where to get you from here to the local tire shop or wherever it may be, instead of having to catch a tow. So again, I don't know, man, this is just my little tip to you guys. Trying to switch it up on the channel, give you guys a little bit of education. I know not everybody knows even the basics. So from basic 101, air pressure, in a super stock, man. I am headed to Downstar, so I'm gonna cut this thing short, but I wanted to give you guys that tip. And those that are wondering, super stock, Hellcat, what tire pressure do you use though? All right, on the daily, 33. I like 33 all the way around. If I was gonna run it, depends if I'm on street or track, I would say For average though, I'd probably be around 20 pounds. Just to throw it out there, 20 PSI if you're gonna run that bad boy on that straight against your boys, you know what I mean? But on daily, normal driving guys, 33 pounds, and every car is different. So when I held that 20 pounds on a drag radial on street or on track, and you're gonna get that little run in, that's not for every car. You might have something smaller, you might go less pressure. You might be on a slick, you know, you go way less pressure. There's so many factors that come in, but for generalization, just thought I'd throw that out there, guys. Everybody have a great day, man. Stay hungry, stay grinding, stay blessed as usual. It's your boy, Frank Visionary.